Hey Gear Slammers, we've been kind of gone for a while. We've been kind of busy with life stuff. As you can see, we're in a new location. We're actually in our storage unit that we got. So we're here while it's snowing. I'll show you. Snow. Over here, trying to get it organized. We moved, had a bunch of stuff going on, and this is gonna be a little workshop for a while. So here we are, just trying to clean it up, organize it, make it usable. We got some nice shelving units that we acquired for $3.99. Free. That's our favorite price here. We got quite a bit, and we got a bunch of stuff that we just got to organize. I mean, a lot of it's mine. I'll admit myself. I'm great at hoarding stuff. We just got to just organize all this. Here's Mike's big block, our sleds, and an ass load of tires. We're just gonna get everything going and see how it turns out. All right, so we're kind of been working at this for a little bit. As you can tell, we got stuff some organized and whatnot. And so Mike and Nathan are running out right now to get some cardboard or wood or something like that for that stuff. We kind of need it because we have a bunch of crap, and we just kind of need it to throw storage in there and whatnot because we got parts and boxes and whatnot, as you can tell over here. I'm kind of working in my little corner right now. I got my little welding stuff over here. Got some other fun stuff, but obviously this is not its final form. I'm just trying to get it organized. You got to contact the electrician guy and go from the box to like right about here for my TIG and stick welder. Hopefully that thing will continue to work. I've had issues with it, but we're just going to continue cranking it out and working on just trying to get it done. It would be nice to get done. I don't know what time it is. Let me it's 2:10, so we've been working at this for about an hour, I think it is. We cranked a lot of the stuff out. We've kind of gone through stuff and did a really poor job of organizing, but it's coming together. We got the heat going, which is absolutely nice. That's kind of saving us right now, but there's our tire collection. Lots and lots of tires. And yeah, so I'm just gonna keep on cranking it out. I might take a little break. Yeah, but we're just gonna see what happens. Trying to get enough of this done so we can fit cars in here and we can start working on stuff. Nathan and I are gonna be working on stuff. Mike, I don't think is gonna be doing a whole lot to his Galaxy, but I could be wrong. But we're just gonna figure things out and have some fun. All right, I think Nathan and Mike are back from getting plywood. Let's take a look. Whew. Let's go, boys.
Hey.
As you can tell, we got a bunch done. We can get cars in and out. It's organized in small little sections, so we're all responsible for what we got. And that's practically the end of day one right there.
Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise.
How's it going, guys? I am back at the unit. It's been like a couple of weeks. It's been a while since I've been here. I got a bunch of cleaning to do. I got a bunch of goodies here I got to put away. Some Christmas stuff. Dead battery. Alleged dead battery. I got some Christmas gifts and some stuff from Harbor Freight. I got to clean the fridge because it's kind of nasty. I got to also work on my daily that's outside real quick, so I might have to pull this out real quick. But I just got to get a lot of this organized and in a decent shape so I can actually work in here. Kind of necessary to do. I still got stickers in the car I have to take care of. I got to pull the rear end. Actually, got to move it forward, pull the rear end because I got gears where the gears go. I know they're somewhere around here because it was one of the things I had to get done. I have gears around here somewhere, 355 gears. I don't know where they went, but I got to take care of that. The car is absolutely filthy, so I have to do something about that. We just got to get some stuff done. Just going to take some time. I'm going to try to crank it out. This is the last week in December right now, so I am doing absolutely nothing. I got this entire week off. I plan on being here, doing stuff at the house and whatnot, but right now my main focus is trying to get this place organized, trying to get this all cleaned up a little bit more, and go from there. It's quite a bit. I hate to admit it. To be brutally honest, it's a lot of my junk. Go figure. I'm the hoarder out of the group. But I'm just gonna crank this stuff out, and I'll take you along. I mean, oh, I found my gears. There they are. They're right there. This is Napa right there on that box, behind on top of that computer, behind my toolbox. Yeah, I found the gears. I knew they were somewhere around here. But we're just gonna crank some stuff out and get to it. So here we go. All right, so hopefully you'll be able to see me. Totally okay. Right where you are at. I kind of got some stuff done. Thank you, Anthony at Napa, for letting me take the extra top here. It's been helpful. I got it on top of my family bench. I just want to talk about some of the stuff I got from Christmas and some other stuff I got from Harbor Freight a couple times. I just wanted to change it up because you guys saw me kind of organize this a little bit. I am working on it. This is a little bit better than what it is. I know it looks a lot worse than it actually is. I'm getting there. So I just wanted to go over some of the stuff. I got to put stuff away back in my toolbox here, and that would be a good time to start doing that. So first off, this is my Milwaukee tools. Milwaukee's a great brand. It's great for working on the car, doing stuff around the house. Granted, it's a little expensive compared to other stuff, but this stuff actually works. I've been out in the field multiple times with Milwaukee tools. They never let me down. It's always been Hilti or DeWalt that's always kind of let me down, even though DeWalt makes an amazing 6-inch cutting wheel, grinder, whatever you want to call it, apparatus. But their drills suck, and because I use them at work right now at my machine shop, and they just awful. Like I bought my own Milwaukee stuff to use at work because it actually works. So more Milwaukee batteries. Got a soldering iron. This is something I've been wanting to get. Not like I do a whole lot of soldering. It's just one of those convenient factors. I know one day I'm going to need them, so that's why I'm kind of a hoarder. You'll see when it comes to some of the Harbor Freight stuff. I'm a bit of a hoarder and kind of a prepper when it comes to just needing stuff. So thank you. This was definitely on the list to get. Now make, you know, if I got to do an emergency repair or I got to do some electrical stuff, I got to work on the Fox. So this is going to come in handy. I'm going to need it. So great thing to have. Got all good wire strippers. Definitely need a good pair of those. What else do I got? Another battery. This is for technically for the soldering iron, but I have other M12 stuff that will need it. And then some drill bits because I always need it. And then drill bits because you can't have enough. I know, granted, this is hammer drill bits, so I'm supposed to use it on anything that's not wood, but I'm going to continue to use it on wood because that's how I roll. Thank you. And all right, so I went to Harbor Freight a week ago. I picked up some goodies. Here's one of them colored outlet extender thingies. 20 bucks. I mean, I know it's expensive, but it's blue, so it will match my Napa table. And if we go to the bag, I got some driver bits. Never have enough of those because I'll find a way to lose them. And then some batteries for the shop because we're probably going to need batteries. And I know I have some of my IKEA batteries that are like 3 years old, if not older. So we needed something here just in case. So before we moved and we got the unit, we went to Harbor Freight. I think it was back in August. I think it was just after the rally. Went there just to look at some stuff and got some stuff from there because I knew I was going to need it. Good old pickle. I actually had to borrow one for the Fox body because I didn't have one, clearly. And I had to go to O'Reilly's that was just down the road. And an issue with the ball joint separating from the spindle, and I just needed this. So I think this was under 15 bucks. So I needed it, and I got it. Got some hose clamps that haven't been opened. You know, this would have been useful about a month or two ago because Mike needed one. And obviously I went out and got some, but I didn't have this, so shame on me. What else did I get? Oh, I got super glue because I go through this stuff and I'm a bit of a hack when it comes to repairing stuff. Then I got a new light. Holy cow, see a light? Because you can't go wrong with those, and that's why I got the batteries. And I got Goo Gone for all the stickers just in case. So, and the bucket. I think they have a bucket and a Recept. And you can never go wrong with the bucket. I always find a way to break them. In one weird way or another. So that's all the stuff I got. What is going on, guys? It's day 3 of the shenanigans. What's going on, guys? It's day 3 of the shenanigans. It's gonna be the final day. Things are gonna be done. I had to get my fusion taken care of. I had some issues with the brakes. That's why everything was kind of cut short the other day. So I just got some stuff I got to clean up here and a little bit over there, and I got to reorganize some tools in my toolbox, especially the power tool section. I got to get this a little bit organized. I got some books I want to have out. I want to get this set back up. It's my computer I got for the shop, and I just need to clean what's this, because I have to take care of stuff on here. More importantly, I got to take off the stickers and get it prepped for where the stuff go. I got stuff in here for suspension. I got the gears. I have where the box go. All right, so I was rudely interrupted again by the batteries. I think it's because it's cold in here. We got the heater going. I got that going. I left everything here, but regardless, I gotta find this box. I got the upper and lower control arms for the rear end. I gotta add to this pile of wonderful fun stuff, so I gotta get that done before the rally. I don't understand it's end of the year, end of December, but I know registration's coming up soon for that. I don't know when. Apparently in the group, the River Valley rivalry, holy cow, I can't speak today. Some people are expecting that to come out, so obviously it's coming out soon. I know when I signed up last year, it was back in February. I literally took a day off because I wanted to make sure I got in, because I knew it was a little hot. My buddy Mike, he told me that there was like 35 cars already signed up. There's only like 75 slots, so it was like I had to make sure I got in there. So I took off of work and signed up for the rally, but I gotta get stuff done because I want to get it done. I might be adding boost to this. There's a couple plans with this. I'll talk about it now. I do have access for a pro charger, injectors, ECU, all that fun stuff for this, and I can bolt it up to this and have some fun. Or I've been throwing around the idea, if Mike's truck motor is okay. It's not really okay right now because it's got a rod knock, but we're assuming that the walls are still good on that one cylinder or multiple cylinders. I wanted to throw a stroker kit and have boost and slap it in here and just have fun. I'm not doing a whole lot to this car. I mean, I'm doing some stuff, but not the stuff that I really want to do, because this car's way too fucking nice for that. Regardless, I gotta get some stuff done. I gotta make sure that this is organized so I can work in this space. I know I was talking to Nathan about stuff the other day about more car positioning, because Mike's got his Galaxy there. We talked about trying to fit more cars in here or make more generalized space to work in. As of right now, I just got to get my stuff organized so I can get the rest of this organized and that organized and just go from there. No, I got this done. I got my speaker here. I have all my books. I was able to find a couple of these actually. Found this one a while ago. It should have been very useful about solid 6 to 8 months ago when Nathan's axle went on in his S60R. I got oils and seal books. I used to work at Napa and I was able to take some of these books. I'm really thankful. I got some welding and CNC stuff. Let me try this again. I got the TV to work. This TV is a pile of shit. It freaks out all the time, and it looks like in the move we kind of had a bit of an oopsies. So we'll have to figure that out. This is actually a computer I had. We had it at the house in Saukville. Had it set up to play music and whatnot. It was kind of a pain in the ass because we had some internet issues, just the connectivity to get out to the garage. Yep, see, just reboot. So if you hear that, I apologize. But I got things organized. Things are charging. I will be turning all these off because I don't trust it. And I got some stuff here. I did find everything that I was going to do to the Fox body. I say, you guys saw the gears and this box, but here are the control arms, upper and lowers. This is obviously an upper. I just gotta do grease, or throw some grease in it and install it. So I'm excited for that. It's gonna be way better for the car because the car is never gonna handle well because it was designed back in the 1970s. But that's that. Thanks for sticking along with the shenanigans. It's nice and clean relatively. Obviously we got some more cleaning to do. We gotta put these hoods, probably put this at Nathan's parents. We gotta get this organized. Nathan is gonna pull his Dorito apart. I gotta clean that fridge because there's mold in there and we gotta take care of it. That's a long story. We got it for free. It's gonna change a whole lot because we're gonna start getting in here. We're gonna start doing more stuff. I'm glad I got this done. The next thing is to take the stickers off and obviously put it up. Nathan and Mike, I know Nathan will be definitely stopping by and really cranking that thing out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot exciting, but it's kind of nice to get this all done. It feels good that we can actually find everything that we're going to need. As an example, I didn't show this before because I was actually kind of disgusted. Here is an organized-ish power area, or power tools. There we go. That's the word I'm looking for. Got everything organized, all the batteries are charged and whatnot. That's good to go. I got some flags I got to put up. We're very patriotic on this YouTube channel. This is not going to be the last time we see this here. We're going to do a bunch, and I'm excited. I know I've said that multiple times. I'm ready to do stuff. So, see you guys later. Have a good one.